Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage in paper. Start by selecting fresh cabbage and clean large sheets of parchment or sturdy paper to wrap tightly. Core the cabbage, season leaves with salt, pepper, and a splash of oil, then place in the center and fold the paper to seal. Bake or steam until tender, testing with a fork, then rest briefly before serving warm and enjoy. Trim and prepare cabbage carefully for even cooking, using outer leaves for wrapping when needed. If you prefer a smokier taste, char the outer leaves briefly, then wrap with parchment. Season between layers for depth, add aromatics like garlic and lemon, and secure folds tightly to trap steam. Cook methodically at moderate heat, check tenderness with a fork, and let rest to concentrate flavors before slicing and serving and enjoy. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while prepping recipes, the new Kindle Paperwhite is light, bright, and great for kitchen use with waterproof design. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really supports the channel. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals so you can read anywhere and follow along with recipes hands-free. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Use simple seasonings to highlight cabbage, balancing salt, acid, and a touch of sweetness for complexity. Try adding vinegar or lemon for brightness, honey or maple for caramel notes, and fresh herbs for lift. For texture contrast, finish with toasted nuts or seeds or a crunchy slaw on the side. Plate attractively, slice the cabbage across the core for neat wedges, and serve warm or at room temperature to suit the meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.